Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, our today's topic in geography is major sources of irrigation in India. You know, irrigation is the lifeline of an economy. The agricultural production wholly and solely depends upon the irrigation. Let's see what are the major sources of irrigation in India. In India, different sources of irrigation are used as per the topography, soils, rainfall, availability of surface water and availability of groundwater and requirement of crops. The main source of irrigation in India are wells, canals, and tanks. So far as wells are concerned, wells are the most important source of irrigation. Two wells irrigate more than 50% of total irrigated area of India. Since I told you yesterday in the previous lesson which I delivered yesterday, that the hot areas like the states of Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat, they mostly depend on the tube-well water because there is scarcity of rainfall and there is scarcity of these canals, water channels as well. So they mostly depend on the tube wells which irrigate their lands, agricultural, through water. That is why wells are the most important source, and the tube wells get 50% and more than 50% of water which is used for irrigation in the agricultural fields. Then we have canals. Canal irrigation is also one of the most important source of irrigation in India. Since the canals are perennial and some canals are not perennial. Canals which are perennial get water throughout the year, and there are some canals which do not have perennial water, so they are less suppliers of water for such areas. So that is why canals are important. Besides, we irrigate our soils, our agricultural fields through canals which are filled by water through pump sheds. Then we have tanks. Tank irrigation is important source of irrigation in Peninsula India. There are about 5 lakh big and 50 lakh small tanks irrigating over 31 lakh hectare of the agricultural land. Tanks are the reservoirs where water is filled and is used later on through the pipelines and through canals. So the main sources of water are these three, like wells, canals and tanks. Equally they distribute the water, equally they utilize the water they supply the water in the particular areas, and the farmers utilize this water for the purpose of agriculture and for the purpose of land production, the agricultural production. So dear students, when you are asked the major sources of irrigation in India, you should at once give the answer: wells, canals and tanks. These are the main three sources through which water is supplied in most parts of India, and agricultural production is secured, is produced and is gathered through these sources. Dear students, this was our today's topic. Inshallah, we will go ahead tomorrow. Thank you very much.